Example problem 6 reads, an object is placed 2.67 meters away from a lens and has a focal length of minus 0.20 meters. Determine the lens's magnification. So we're told that DO, the distance of the object, is 2.67 meters. And we're told that the focal length is minus 0.20 meters. That's the only variables we have. If we go back to the previous slide, we can see that there are two equations for magnification. One involving the height of the object, one involving the distance of the image, and one involving the distance of the object and the focal length. So clearly we're going to be using the one that has the variables that were listed in the problem. So the equation is going to be m equals 1 divided by 1 minus DO divided by F. So filling in the variables that we have, 1 divided by 1 minus 2.67 meters divided by minus 0.20 meters. If you put that into your calculator, you'll find that the answer is 0.069 times. There's technically no units for magnification, but when we talk about magnification, we talk about times. So thanks, and let me know if you have any questions about example problem 6.